Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you from its new time slot of 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video, because like 90% of you are not subscribed. And on the show today, we have the Captain's Castaway, a real simple, easy cocktail to do. All right, it starts off with 4 ounces of pineapple juice, along with 2 ounces of coconut water. Followed by 1 ounce of simple syrup. And then the juice of half a lime. And finally, 2 ounces of rum. In this case, I'm using Captain Morgan, ironically and specifically. Then you just want to shake it all up. Get yourself an ice-filled either highball glass or just a standard drinking glass. And then strain in the drink. And that's it. Captain's Castaway. Done.